selling skills, and occasionally some life skills in under 60 seconds, which I rarely ever hit that mark. So just ignore the 60-second thing. Business culture. Let's talk about organizational culture, right? Organizational culture is really, really important. It creates an environment where employees want to work. It can create an environment where you can attract new employees. It retains employees. It attracts customers. It keeps customers happy. Where does culture come from? Oftentimes, culture comes from the tone and the expectations set by ownership and the willingness of ownership to engage in managing employees and engage in continually reminding employees, this is how we do business. This is what we stand for. Now, if you have a culture that you don't like, you're not comfortable with, first of all, you got to look in the mirror. And even at that, now we got to change it. If I recognize I've created it and I'm the problem, now I got to change it. And how do I do that? I do that through hiring. I do that through consistent expectations. I do that through daily huddle meetings, just constant yet consistent messaging. This is who we are. This is how we do business. And when I hire individuals that fit the new culture that I want to form. So much more on this. We'll get to more of it later. If you got more questions, find me on social media here, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.